A very warm and cheerful morning to respected Father Principal, sisters, teachers and all my friends. Today I, K.R. Kashyap, stand here and try to share my experience at my school, St. Xavier's, Adipur. Today as I stand here, I remember and cherish the 14 years of bond that I have had with the school, my teachers and friends. And as I speak now, I'll surely fall short of words. Our teachers have always loved us, guided us, and taken care of us. Our principals and teachers have given us numerous opportunities and let us have our leap of faith. Our teachers, the love that you have given us is incomparable. I shall always miss the morning assemblies, standing up for the national anthem and the pledge, running across corridors for book submission, tense exam days, and finally the dispersal bell. Entering the school as a 3-year-old toddler and finally leaving it as a grown-up 12th pass out, the journey has been amazing and I have lived and enjoyed every single day of me being at the school. The last 1.5 years have been difficult, but our teachers have made sure that we never lost contact and made the most out of it. For all those friends of mine who are watching this, still in school, respect the teachers and their hard work. Enjoy and live every single moment of this journey and try to give your best. I know it is difficult, but still give it a try. Finally, I would like to thank our principals, teachers, non-teaching staff for always being the guiding light. I think that we have made you proud and will still keep trying to do so. Finally, I am a Xavierite and will always be proud to be a Xavierite.